Okay, before we learn how to decompress a file, I want to talk about this little program, generic mod enabler. It's a it's a very nice program for for modding as well. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with modding, but sometimes when you're modding and you edit one of the DATs that Madden is using at the time, and you try to edit, it'll just screw everything and mess up any edits that you've done, and you have to redo everything again. But with this utility, it'll pretty much you know avoid all that because you're putting your edits in a separate file which you later enable. And whenever I want to decompress a file, I'll I'll deactivate whatever mod, and then I'll load you know whatever my edits are. But at the time, right now, I don't have any edits, so I need I'll take that off for now. And now we're gonna edit. We're gonna mod the that file. So I just wanted to just mention this utility. It's a very nice utility. Now let's uh, let's decompress a file, and it's pretty much a two-step process. You have to extract the file and then decompress it, using Madden. And the utilities you will need, it's going to be the Madden that file replacer, and you can use either the Ripper, the Playbook Ripper, which I have not used. I like using this one, the Uniform Editor and Ripper, and I I like to use it because it hasn't given me any problems whatsoever when it comes to ripping the whatever uncompressed file from memory. And okay, start. And so to decompress a file, um, you select the compressed file. And in this example, I'm going to use the load data. We're going to decompress that one. So we highlight it, and then we extract the file. And I have everything already preset, just to speed up things. And you can save it in whichever folder you want. Just keep an eye on the name of it, okay? Just press OK. And it'll tell you that it got extracted, and you say OK, and then it'll tell you up here, the name of it, or the name of the extracted file. Okay? So, to decompress it now, we're going to load up another copy of the DAT file replacer. And on this one, I loaded up the uniforms DAT file. And on the very last entry, and it doesn't matter in this one whether you use zero-based or not, it's going to be the last entry anyway. You're going to select that file that we just extracted, which was this one. Press open. Now we're going to add the compress size, which I've already done. You click on this file because it's a compressed file, and you put in the decompress size. After you do that, click on it, put replace, and you save the file, that file. And this is where what I was saying, that it'll come in handy because, for example, if for some reason I forgot to exit Madden and Madden is running in the background, if I were to press save, it would crash on me. then I would have to do everything all over again. But since this uniform file is somewhere, it's outside the Madden NFL 08, it won't crash. It pretty much guarantees me that it won't, it won't crash. So that's why I like the little feature. Now, uh, now I'm going to activate this, mod, the uniform, because I want to decompress the file. Okay. Now, since I have that mod running, the uniform where I'm going to rip the uniform, decompress it, I'm going to now run Madden, and it should crash if I did it right. Okay, when you see that little box, don't do anything in it. Just move it to the side, click on the uniform ripper or the playbook. Just if you're using the playbook ripper, just follow the instructions that are on that screen. But I prefer this method because it's never given me any problems. So you go to rip uniform, and we're going to rip the home. And then I already ripped it, and I'm going to use that name right there. Just a different name from the top, from the compressed. This is the compressed. This is going to be the decompressed one. So we'll just put what is it saying here? Say yes, I want to replace it. And then I guess it's telling me that it saved it. Now, once it's saved, go ahead and press close. Now let's verify that it did. And it's this one. Press open. And then you can see the files are that it did open the files. Alright. And that's how you decompress a file. And next tutorial, we'll see if we can edit this load data. Okay. So till next time, have a good one, guys.